Hey, Super 7th graders, here's your video announcement for week 4, February 8th through the 14th. This week, you have a quiz for each of the 2 lessons, which means that the notes that are available for you to fill out are optional but recommended because, of course, you're going to do better if you have good notes to complete the test. The first lesson is called New Lands, and really it is about the folks that head from the east to the west towards California, and folks that are in California, and folks that come from China into California. So you can probably guess it's a little bit about the gold rush. When you dig in class, we will be doing the vocabulary together and all of lesson 3, which means that you are on your own for lesson 2. So let's take a look at what that looks like. When you get into 0502, you're going to go to tab number 2. And here you are asked to answer some questions such as why did people want to move west? And you're going to read through it and record your answers. You will notice there are some pictures. It might be beneficial to blow those up so you can record information from that. Most of what you'll need is in the slide deck, and if you're coming to class, we will have a really interesting conversation about who was in California for the gold rush. If you are unable to make it to class, if you notice there are videos and questions and all sorts of things that would be valuable for you. The second lesson this week is 05.05, and it's called Trains Leavin'. If you notice up on the top, it says you only need to use the slide deck to complete this. I didn't care for the organization in Buzz, and so I decided that we would just have it all on the slide deck. And if you notice, we're looking at different transportation methodologies and how they improved, and also the impact that that had on buffalo, I should say bison, in the West. So if you take a peek at the slide deck, you will notice that you can see the different kinds of transportation, and we're going to talk about each of them in class. Tried to add some visuals to help you with this. This video on the Transcontinental Railroad is really good. If you're not in class, I do recommend that you take time to watch it. And pretty much everything you need for your notes is here. And I invite you to really lean in and take some really good notes so that you are prepared for the quiz. When you get to the quiz, as always, for both of them, you are welcome to use the notes that you've taken. You do get 2 attempts at it. So good luck this week, and please reach out to your teacher if you have any questions.